In this video, you will learn how to set paragraph alignment. So on the screen you can see Notepad is open. I will start with HTML tag, then head tag, then title tag, and in the title I will give a title, learning to set alignments, then close title. You can give any title, then close head tag after giving a title, then start with body tag, then use p tag to set a paragraph, or to create a paragraph we use p tag. So here I am going to create a simple paragraph. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. This language is used to create and design web documents. You can learn and understand it very easily. So after creating a paragraph, close p tag. Okay, then close body tag, and then close HTML tag. Okay, after writing this code, save it and give the name to a file. Here I am giving para. You can give any name. Then after giving a name, give the extension to your file .html. Don't forget this, okay? If you will not write .html after writing a name of file, then it will not be considered as a web page. Then select the location. Here I am selecting desktop, and then save it. Okay, so you can see here this web page is created, and if you will double click on it, your web page is opened here, and a paragraph HTML stands for is displayed on the screen, and the title which you have given is displayed here, learning to set alignments. Okay, the spelling of alignments is wrong, so you can correct it from here. Then again, doing a correction, remember to save that file, then reload it. See, okay, so in this paragraph you can see no alignment is given. Okay, so if you want to give alignment, then in p tag write its attribute align equals to rigst right. So this will set a paragraph towards right. Then save it and again reload it. You can see the paragraph is aligned towards right of a web page. Okay, then if you want to align it center, then use center value and reload it after saving a file. Okay, then justify, save it and reload. Okay, by using align attribute in p tag and giving the value left, right, center and justify, these are the 4 values of align attribute of p tag. So here you can see that in this paragraph no line break is given. Okay, then also in the web page you can see a line is breaking from here. Markup tags are used in HTML is coming in second line. So if you want the text to be displayed in a single line, then you can use NOBR tag. NOBR tag stands for no line break. Okay, then at the end of paragraph before p tag close NOBR tag, then save it and reload a web page. Now you can see whole paragraph is displayed in a single line. If you want to read it complete, then scroll the screen. Okay, and if you want to break a line, then remove this. Suppose I want to break a line from here, so before it I will write BR tag, then save it and reload a file. See, line is break from here. So in this way you can use NOBR tag and BR tag. BR tag stands for break and it is used to break a line. NOBR stands for no break and it is used to display a text in a single line.